Welcome to Choosing Keywords from the Northeast State Community College Wayne G. Baszler Library. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can select keywords from a research question, thesis statement, or topic sentence to use for searching for information. Look at your working thesis statement, research question, or the topic of your paper. What are the major terms that you find? These are the key terms or keywords that you'll use to begin creating your search. Let's look at an example. Say your topic is the uncontrolled finning of sharks and its effects on the shark populations. Pulling the major words out of this topic would give you finning, sharks, and shark populations. You can begin your search with one or more of these words. You will generally use at least 2 words to get to a desired level of specificity. The more words you use, the narrower your results will be. However, if you use too many words, you may not get any results. It is not recommended to use more than 4 keywords in a search. Something to keep in mind when creating your search terms is synonyms, or words that mean the same or almost the same thing. It may be that the specific term or terms you have chosen has synonyms. Make a list of synonyms for each of your keywords. This will give you a variety of terms you can use in your search if your original words don't get the results that you want or need. You may also want to include in your list broader and narrower terms for your topic that could also be used for searching. Let's use what is the relationship between test performance and the retention of first-generation students as our example this time. Our keywords would be test performance, retention, and first-generation students. We can find several words and phrases that act as synonyms for test performance. Some examples are tests, exams, test-taking skills, academic achievement, and test preparation. Sometimes it can be useful to search for antonyms of your topic, words that mean the opposite. For example, if you are looking at student retention, you may also want to look at student dropouts or student attrition, in addition to synonyms such as student persistence and graduation. If you have a word or phrase that is often abbreviated, spell it out for your search. Instead of ADHD, use attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. ESL would be English as a second language. And PTSD is post-traumatic stress disorder. You can actually search for the term using both the abbreviation and the spelled out version by putting an "or" in between them. This will make sure that you find the topic either way that it is represented in the database. Some things to avoid when choosing keywords include relationship words and judgment words. Relationship words include, but are not limited to, compare, contrast, correlation, and causation. Examples of judgment words are best, worst, pro, con, advantages, and disadvantages. To recap, choose the major words of your topic as your keywords. Find synonyms, antonyms, and broader and narrower terms as appropriate to give you additional terms you can use for searching if your original words do not yield the results you want or need. Spell out abbreviations and use both forms for searching. Avoid using relationship and judgment words as keywords in your searches. If you need any help designing your search strategy or choosing keywords, or have questions about how to find or cite sources, please don't hesitate to contact one of your friendly librarians. We are here to help you. Visit us at the library, call us, chat with us live, email us, or make an appointment for an individualized one-on-one session.